Today I am explaining about another display device, direct-to-view storage tubes. It is actually a class of storage tube, and the peculiarity of this storage tube is that it can hold the image for a long period of time. Okay. Moreover, it uses a random scan approach to generate the images. Here, the picture information is stored as a charge distribution, mainly as a positive charge distribution, just behind the phosphor coated screen. That is, this is the phosphor coated screen. Just behind this phosphor coated screen, there is a storage grid. In this storage grid, we are storing the picture information. Okay. So, it stores the picture information as a charge distribution just behind the phosphor coated screen. Here, instead of writing the electron beam directly writing these pictures, the writing is done with the help of a fine mesh wire grid. Okay, and it is mounted just before the screen, and it is also on the path of electron beam from the gun. Okay, the wire grid, I am specifying that instead of passing the electron beam, we are directly writing the pictures with the help of a fine mesh wire grid. This is the fine mesh wire grid that I already said. This storage grid is the fine mesh wire grid. Okay. Then next I want to explain that this pattern is transferred to the phosphorus coated CRT by a continuous flood of electrons. So in the DVST tube, you can see two electron gun. One is primary gun and another is secondary gun. We call it as flood gun. With the help of this flood gun, this pattern is transferred to the phosphorus coated screen. Okay. So mainly two gun is there. One is primary gun. Primary gun is used to store the picture information, and flood gun is used to maintain the picture information. Okay. That is, it has a flood gun. So in the figure you can see that there is a primary gun and a flood gun. I explained this is the phosphorus coated screen and this is the storage grid or wire mesh grid. This primary gun is used to store the picture information in the storage grid, and the flood gun is used to maintain the picture information in the storage grid and also passing this picture information to the phosphor coated screen. Okay, just behind the storage grid, you can see a collector. Collector is another storage grid, a second storage grid. The function of this collector grid is to smooth out the flow of flood electrons. The flood grid continuously passing the electrons at a very high speed. The role of this collector is to smooth out this flood of electrons and passes it through storage grid and makes the picture display. Okay, how it smooth out this flow of electron is that the collector is charged with negative charges. Okay, the collector grid is actually negative charged. So, it reduces the acceleration of electrons and it results a low velocity flood only pass through the collector. Okay, so what I do is in the direct-to-view storage tube, the main components are primary gun, flood gun. So in order to focus and deflect these electrons, we have a focusing and deflection system, and we have a collector grid and a storage grid and a phosphor coated screen. The role of primary gun is to store the picture pattern in the storage grid as a charge distribution, as a positive charge distribution. The role of flood gun is to maintain the picture display. The flood gun passes electrons in high velocities. These electron guns are smoothed out by the collector. Then they are passing through the storage grid. And finally we get the image in the phosphor coated screen. Okay. Then next, what are the advantages of this direct-to-view storage tube? I already said that the direct-to-view storage tube can hold an image for a long period of time. So, no refreshing is needed. Okay, the cost is very less and no use of frame buffer and high resolution. These are some of the advantages of direct-to-view storage tube. The disadvantage is that It is not possible to erase the selected part of picture. That is, it is not suited for dynamic graphic applications. If you want to delete a particular portion, it is very time consuming. So usually it is mainly used in the case of advertising boards, etc. Okay, thank you for the support. This is the all about direct view storage 2.